What's up guys, it's Muxi here, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be testing out a brand new animation software called Animaker 2.0. In this video, I'll be covering all the features and giving my thoughts on it and rating it, and by the end of the video, you'll know if it's the best animation software for you. Smash the like button and let's go! So first, Animaker 2.0 consists of 3 apps all for the price of one: an animation editor, a video editing app, and a lite version. So the first feature I want to cover is the character builder. In the character builder, you can create your own character for your video. For example, you can change the facial features, the items, and you can even do this in the free version. Unlike softwares like Powtoon, and you don't need to upgrade to enterprise, and softwares like Doodly don't even have this feature. Up next, we have Animaker Voice. Animaker Voice is a brand new feature where you can create a human-like voice with tools like pauses, breaths, etc. This is even available in the free version.
Hello. Please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy.
For audio, you can upload or record your own voiceover and it syncs the character's mouth automatically. Hello, this is Muxi recording a voiceover. Hello, this is Muxi recording a voiceover. There are 250 templates, different characters, objects, and royalty-free videos, which help you create better animations. In addition, there's even smart move and camera angles which help you create more fluid animations. The second thing you get for this software is a live action and video editing app. So there are a ton of different stock photos and videos you can use that is available for the software, and they even give you some pretty good text animations. In addition, you can upload up to 20 gigabytes and export in 4K, so you shouldn't really be worried about, running out of space. Okay, next we have one of the biggest features, which is the collaboration feature. So you're doing an animation project, you can have other people work on the same animation video as you. So which is actually really cool. In addition, there's a resize option where you can, resize your video in an instant, vertical and horizontally. There's also 100 million stock library, different filters, and again, camera angles that you can use. Let's go to the next product. So the next product you're getting in the software is the presentation / Animaker Lite. So basically for the presentation, you can create a PowerPoint presentation with all these animations and videos, which is actually pretty cool because I've never seen an animated PowerPoint. Number 2, Animaker Lite. You can create all these animations you've been doing with the software, but in a condensed version, so only 1 to 2 minutes. So the question y'all been waiting for, can you afford it? What is the price? So Animaker has 3 price points: $10 a month, $19 a month, $39 a month, called Starter, Basic, and Pro. In addition, you can export your video in Pro version for just $1, which is actually pretty cool. However, your boy Muxi hooked you up with a 30% discount, link in bio. So pretty much, you can save up to $140 in the yearly plan. So overall thoughts and rating for Animaker 2.0. So first of all, I think Animaker 2.0 is a very versatile software and is good for most marketers and video creators, as it has a lot of features, a good price point, and a pretty good UI. First criteria is usability and UI. For usability and UI, I give Animaker 2.0 a 5 out of 5. This is because, unlike the last version of the software, I find it very clean and easy to use. Their last version was kind of buggy for some people. In addition, a lot of these animation softwares don't have the clean look and fresh new look as Animaker 2.0. For features, I give it a 4 out of 5. This is because there are a ton of different features that some softwares don't have, like character builders, Animaker voice, and all that stuff. However, as of right now, they don't have a whiteboard animation feature, so I can't really give a 5 out of 5 on that. In addition, if they're competing with like video editing softwares like Final Cut and all those stuff, they don't have like speeding up video and slow motion, which is a bit of a bummer. So Animaker, if you watch that, please add that. Okay, for animation, I give it a 4 out of 5. This is because it has a ton of different like animation features like animated text, character builder, and all that stuff, and a smart move. However, as of now, they don't have whiteboard animation, so I can't really give it a 5 out of 5. So Animaker, please make it as soon as possible. For the price, I give it a 4 out of 5. You get 3 price points, and with my code, you get 30% off. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Smash the like button, subscribe. I'm gonna try to, make more animation content for you guys. So tell me in the comments below, would you guys buy this software? What features do you guys want to see from it? And what else, softwares you want me to review? And it's Mooksy signing out.